Did I ever tell you about the Passion to Profits course that I created? Well, it's all about, going after your passion and making a living out of it, okay? There's a lot of people that are doing it right now. In fact, Gary Vee definitely promotes this idea, because what good is it to go through life without, doing your passion and getting paid for it? So I created a course on how to do that step by step. You start out with the ebook, of everything that you know about what you love to do. You write it down, you put it into a digital format, and then from the ebook, it goes to the course. You start a video course on what to do, the steps. You show them exactly on how to do it and the materials and the things that you need. And then from the course, you can take that into either coaching or training or hands-on, okay? So for an example, if I liked to do kayaking, I would go out and research the best kayaks to use, and then I would buy all the other materials, your helmets and your life vests. You're basically recording the whole entire process, and then you're putting that into a digital form, like an ebook, and then you're giving them tips and things and the best places to go for kayaking, all that good stuff. And then you're basically upgrading each time, each level, so that you can scale. And eventually, obviously, you have your own products that are branded, your own kayaks, your own oars, and your own apparel. And that's how it starts. But that's a passion that can go into fruition, and you'll be able to scale it. So anyway, check it out. You're going to be glad you did, and I'll talk to you soon.